Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, especially to political theory series. In this video, we will going to discuss the criticism against John Locke theory. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more videos. Now let us begin. The first criticism against John Locke theory is that it is not based on historical evidence. John Locke's ideas on state of nature and contracts are not based on historical evidence. He never tried it to prove by providing historical facts. He himself did not believe that it as true, but he used it to explain or to justify his political philosophy. According to some critics, John Locke's romanticization of human nature without the authority to regulate is something that is very hard to be believed. Because human being is also dominated by his or her emotions. Just like love, happy, peace, and calm, etc. He also has other emotions like anger, jealousness, and selfishness, etc. Locke is not clear about the location of sovereignty. On the one hand, he says that the ruler should govern according to the consent of the people. On the other hand, in his theory, he says that, or his theory looks like the sovereignty is divided between the people and the government. So he did not specifically located the sovereignty in the hands of anyone. What he wanted to do is he wanted to disqualify the theories which provided absolute power to the king. According to other critics, it is complete nonsense to speak about the rights in the state of nature because rights are enjoyed only in the state. For example, the profounder of utilitarian principle, Jeremy Bentham, said that the concept of natural rights prevailing in a state of nature is simple nonsense, rhetoric nonsense, and nonsense on stilts. According to other critics, Locke's views on the state of nature and two contracts sounds incredible because the primitive man most of the time little rational and they stressed on providing importance to religious aspect of life. In such a condition, how one could claim that they made two contracts? According to some other political theorists, John Locke considered social contract theory as the reason behind the establishment of state, but he neglected other possible reasons such as kinship, common worship, and religion as a possible reason behind the establishment of state. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and equally benefited. Please give me thumbs up, and if you want to add anything to it, write it down in the comment section below. And if you want more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.